Welcome to today's review of the Imarku 11-piece pots and pans, set featuring a non-stick granite coating that is PFOA-free and safe for your family's health. This cookware is made with EU standard aluminum alloy and magnetic stainless steel, making it compatible with electric, gas, ceramic, and induction stovetops for quick and even heating. The non-stick surface ensures easy food release and simple cleanup, preventing sticking and burning during cooking. Each handle is ergonomically designed with soft rubber to stay cool and provide a comfortable grip while you cook. The set includes 2 frying pans, a deep frying pan with a glass lid, a milk pot, a stock pot, a steamer, and handy silicone utensils for versatile kitchen use. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a family feast, this durable cookware set offers excellent performance and style in vibrant red. Plus, Imarku provides responsive customer service to support you after your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.